In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make separate pages in Wix. Whether you're building a website for your personal blog, a business portfolio, or an e-commerce store, knowing how to create and manage different pages is essential. Wix offers versatile tools that let you expand your site in various ways, and today we'll dive into the details of creating separate pages seamlessly. Let's start by navigating to the Studio Editor in Wix. Once you're there, take a look at the left side panel. You should notice an icon labeled Pages. Clicking this will bring up a window displaying all the pages already on your website. This is where you'll manage your site's navigation and organization. If you're creating a new section or expanding your content, this is your starting point. Next up, at the bottom of this Pages window, you'll see the option to Add New Page. Go ahead and click on that. This action will open up a selection of page types you can choose to add to your website. It's important to consider what kind of page serves your purpose best. You'll see options for a standard or blank page and dynamic pages. A standard or blank page is quite straightforward. It's essentially a clean slate, where you have full creative control. You can start from scratch, designing it to fit your unique needs and style. This option is perfect if you have a specific vision in mind or if you need a fully customized layout for your content. Dynamic pages, on the other hand, are a bit different. They are particularly useful if your website is going to include multiple similar items, like blog posts or product pages. The beauty here is that while the layout remains consistent, the content itself changes depending on the item. This is extremely beneficial for maintaining uniformity while saving you time since you won't need to create a new template for each piece of content. Once you've decided on the type of page you want to incorporate, it's time to name it. Choose a name that clearly represents the content it will hold. For instance, if it's a Contact Us page, title it just that to make navigation intuitive for your site visitors. After typing in your chosen name, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard. That's it. Your new page has now been added to your site. Remember, creating organized, well-named pages is key to ensuring a smooth user experience. It not only helps in presenting information clearly, but also aids in better website navigation. Moreover, this process in Wix is designed to be user-friendly, so updating or revising existing pages later on is a hassle-free task. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the knowledge to structure your Wix website effectively using these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you as you continue to build and grow your online presence.